Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake, and today I'm excited to tell you about something new called community kits. Have you ever looked at a build in the community and thought to yourself, I wonder how they made that because I'd love to make it too? Well, that's exactly what community kits are. It's a new way for you and I and other members of the community to share helpful ideas and solutions with other people in the community. Today, we're going to look at some community kit examples, see what they're all about, and see how you can turn your build into a community kit. If you're looking at the website, you'll see something new in the navigation bar, which is kits. And if you click on that, you'll see all the community kits. But first, we're going to look at the community kit page. You'll see a link here. Click on that, and you can kind of learn all about community kits. So basically, these are builds, your builds from the community, or my builds, or really anybody that builds something and they want to share that build and exactly how they made it with someone else. So these are going to include instructions with a list of materials and really just helpful resources to help somebody make something if they want to recreate a great solution that somebody shared. So that's kind of what community kits are, and it's really easy to turn your build into a community kit. We've tried to make it as easy as possible because we not only want to make it as easy as possible to build something, but we want to make it easy to share something as well. So we've created this simple template. You don't have to use this template. We've had community members submit instructions that they made their own, which is totally fine. But if you want to use this template, you can find it here on this page and you'll download it. And once you click on that, you'll see this kind of blank template that you can fill out. So you can put the build title, and you can put a photo of the finished build, what it looks like, put your name. You can put helpful things like the build cost, an average time of how long it would take to build it. And then you've got some really important sections here. You've got the tools required. We also have a section for the list of materials and the cut list. I think these are the two most important and most helpful resources for somebody looking to recreate something from the community, because we can get an exact number of the connectors and we can see exactly what cuts we need to make, how much conduit to get, and that kind of thing. That's such a super helpful resource when it comes to building a project, knowing those two things. And then you have a section here where you can input some steps. So as you're building, that's step 2. As you can see here, you download the template. Step 2 is document your build. So as you're building, you just snap some photos, jot down some notes like the cut list and what cuts you made, and it's just some helpful things. Just think about if you were building it and you were following instructions, what would be helpful to you. That's kind of what you want to document and jot down here. So you can fill that out, just put a few steps. You can document as much or as little as you'd like. And once you fill that out, you have my favorite section, the About the Builder section. And this is totally optional, but we'd love for you to do it. We'll look at an example of how somebody's done this in a second, but basically, this is the community part of community kits. We want to shout you out. We want to show who the original builder is so people know who shared such a great solution. So that's what this section is. We'd love for you to fill it out. Once you complete it, you can email it to me or you can submit it however you want to. If it's a DM on social media, if it's a message, if you want to email it, and you can do that here. You click this button and you can submit it. Let's look at a couple of them. We'll pull this one up. This is a DIY kayak cart from Axel. We got the About the Builder section here. We can see who Axel is. He shared some details about himself, his background, some things that he's into. He also linked his YouTube channel, so we could check that out, see what he's doing on his YouTube channel. We've got build photos that we've pulled from the instructions, and the instructions are totally free. If you guys want to download them, you already have connectors laying around, you can download the instructions. You'll just put in your email here, see, jake@makerpipe.com. And they'll be emailed to you, or you can click here and follow the link and you can see the instructions that Axel filled out. And we actually made these instructions with Axel. He shared the YouTube video tutorial and we turned them into instructions, which we're totally happy to do. If you guys just want to send us some notes about your build along with some photos and things, we're happy to turn them into instructions. But you can see he put the build cost, we've got the build time, tools required, and then the list of the materials like we talked about. We can see what connectors are needed, how much conduit to get, the type of wheels that he used if we want to get the exact same ones. We can see the other hacks involved, like how to make an axle. That kind of thing is in here. We've got the cut list. We know exactly what pipes we need to cut and how much and the measurements for that. And we've got the how to make an axle. Step 1, how to make the axle, and then we can build the kayak cart. And it's just such a great thing, and we love this, and we're really excited for these community kits. And then, of course, we've got the About the Builder section with Axel. Got another photo there with a link to his channel and the video tutorial and the About Me section. So that's what the instructions are. They're totally free. You can download them if you want to build them. And we've tried to make it as easy as possible if you want to get the connectors and accessories. So right now, this kayak cart, if you want to build it and you want this kit, the kit come with the accessories and the connectors that we have available already on the site. As of right now, we don't have everything all in one kit. We don't have the the hardware and the wheels needed to make the axle. And that's something that we're totally down to do in the future, possibly. Definitely let us know if that's what you guys would want and want to be into. But as of right now, the kits include the connectors and the accessories. They have the instructions you can get and links to the other materials, and then those helpful sections like the cut and tool list. Because just with the instructions and then just knowing what connectors you need and what conduit to pick up and cut is super helpful. And that's what we're trying to do. Just make it easy for somebody to build something. So you can see here the connectors and accessories that are included. You can choose if you want black connectors or silver connectors. And then something we're trying out that we're doing with smaller kits is we'll pre-cut the conduit for you. If you want to add conduit, you just click the with conduit button, and it's not available on all the kits. We're just trying it out. Definitely let us know what you guys think about that if you like pre-cut conduit for kits as well. And so you can choose with or without conduit. You choose your connector color, and then you can add it to cart. And if you want to manually select connectors, you want to modify a build, it's totally up to you. Just download the instructions and change it however you want. That's basically what community kits are. It's a really simple idea, but it's really exciting. We love the community. It's our favorite part of MakerPipe. We can't thank you guys enough for being a part of it and for continuing to support us and supporting other people in the community. And this is kind of the next evolution of that. So let us know what you think about community kits. Let us know what you think about the pre-cut conduit or including accessories from other companies or from off-the-shelf materials and other things like that. Definitely let us know because we value your feedback and we want to know. Also, if you're filling out instructions, you need some help, definitely reach out to us. We're happy to help you do that. We're just really excited for these, the kind of the next step of the community, and we can't wait to hear what you guys think, and we can't wait to see your builds turned into kits. So thanks so much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.